What's up guys, and welcome back. So today's video, you'll notice that the music jumps around a little bit, and that's because I'm actually dancing to the music. It's not dubbed. Like, I've put the microphone right by the speaker so it can be as authentic and as genuine as possible for you guys to see how to do these steps and these movements to the actual music. If you're liking this content so far, a like and a subscription goes a long way. But for more deeper content, consider checking out my Patreon page, which is available linked in the description below or a card at the top of the screen. Check it out to the music. What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? I've got a little footwork combination for you today, a little bit of leg work involved as well. Relatively easy, I think. It's fun. You can do it to the music as well, so I've put counts in here. First of all, you're gonna need this 3-step variation. You're gonna go kick, kick, hook, instead of just a normal swing and hook. This makes it much more dynamic and a lot sharper and punchier to the music. Ready? 1 and 2, like so. Okay, from here, you're gonna open out like you're going to a 3-step, okay? 3, like this. This leg has to be twisted, like so. And then you're gonna switch, scissor the legs, and knee drop, 4. And that's the complete step. Now we're gonna do it again. So it'll go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Next, you're gonna try my inward pretzel variation. So what you need to do is go to position 0, then into a hook. So when you start with the hook, to go into the pretzel, you have to lunge forward and place the knee down. It will slightly turn to the side, like this. Okay, make sure you get that part at least correct on both sides, then the turn won't take so much energy to think about. Okay, like that, nice and easy. If this is count 8, you will go count 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. You can of course learn this on both sides. So for example, it will be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So if you want to use this as an isolated combo, so you only use it on one side, and then sometimes there's an accent on the 1 count, sometimes on the 5, but usually on the 1. So from 8, it gives you 1 count to get to the next move or freeze or exclamation mark. So I like cradles. Cradles are quite easy to do, and I think probably most of the people watching this will be able to do a cradle. This is a cradle like this, okay? All right, but you've only got 1 count to get into it. I'm gonna go to the elbow because it will change the dynamics a little bit as I go up and then down. Jump quite far onto the elbow so your weight is not tipping back. So boom, and there it's much easier to balance. Let's do all of that to the music. Thanks again for watching, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.